Experience the future of logistics with Smart Stow AI. See Gemini 3 Pro build safe, stable 3D digital twins using advanced spatial reasoning. Stowage is a $100 billion challenge. Inefficient loading causes instability and accidents. Traditional manual planning can no longer meet modern safety demands. Introducing Smart Stow AI. Our dual-engine platform toggles between high-speed algorithmic packing and Gemini-powered spatial reasoning for the perfect load balance. Gemini 3 Pro reasons, not just calculates. It places heavy items for a stable base and fragile electronics on top. The red marker ensures a safe center of gravity. Welcome to the Smart Stowage Optimizer, a cutting-edge 3D digital twin platform designed to revolutionize industrial logistics. This application leverages the advanced spatial reasoning of Gemini 3 Pro. The system offers two distinct optimization engines, a traditional algorithmic approach and the AI-driven Gemini engine. Let's start by setting up our space. Whether it's a 20-foot container or a Euro truck, the platform adjusts to standard industrial presets instantly. Next, we manage the manifest. You can add items manually or upload a CSV. The system isn't just checking space, it's evaluating physics. For instance, notice how it flags an overweight load block that exceeds safety limits, ensuring operational security before the first box is even moved. Now let's run the solver. While the engine calculates stability and volume, the background heuristic analysis prepares a comparative study. In seconds, we generate a high-fidelity 3D loading plan, rendered smoothly using React and 3.0.0.0. The true power of this tool lies in its visualization. You can rotate and inspect the digital twin to see exactly how heavy industrial generators and fragile pallets are distributed. Clicking on any item reveals its precise coordinates and unit weight, providing total transparency for stowage engineers. But space filling is only half the story. The Smart Stowage Optimizer performs a side-by-side comparison between the algorithmic first-fit approach and Gemini's spatial reasoning. Finally, we export the AI optimization analysis report. This detailed document compares both methods across key metrics: volumetric efficiency, lateral stability, and center of gravity management. By blending mathematical precision with AI-driven physical intuition, we deliver the safest, most efficient loading plans for the modern supply chain. By combining high-fidelity digital twins with the spatial intelligence of Gemini 3, we ensure every load is safe, stable, and fully optimized. Reduce risks, save costs, and transform your logistics workflow. Smart Stow AI, the future of stowage, powered by Gemini 3. Scan the QR code or visit the link to explore Smart Stowage Optimizer. Experience the future of logistics today.